Oh, kia ora. I'm Rob Whitbourne. I work with the Department of Conservation in Ngā Whenua Rāhui, and I'll be at the local Wild Food Challenge on the 3rd of February to talk about Rongoa Māori and the traditional uses of different plants from the ngaheres. One of the prizes at the challenge will be for traditional Māori kai. So all you guys out there with those foods that your old people loved, bring them down, incorporate them into the dishes, and bring the story of where they come from and why they're so important for you. There's a prize for that, a pack including native plants from here, Coastlands Nursery where we are at the moment, and also a chance to go over and spend a weekend with one of our tohunga rongoa Pāmagawan over in Tauranga. So yeah, bring those dishes down, those old kai, incorporate them in, and let the world taste some of those Māori specialties. Kia ora.